Hi, I'm Tony from NEANN by RAPP Australia, and today we're going to take a look at the NEANN Professional Series trauma bags, and we're going to focus on one of those bags, which is the NEANN Professional PRK or Paramedics Response Kit. So if we start with the bag, you can see there's in a sense two separate compartments, the front and likewise a side pouch. This bag also features a separate magnetic sharps container, just again to show you that in case that wasn't obvious. So that is something you can either leave on or take off, attached magnetically. I should at the outset point out that this bag, unlike perhaps a couple of the others, does have a backpack attachment. I won't take it out, but you can get the gist of it. So these straps will come out and act as a backpack option. In terms of all of the NEANN Professional Series bags, they all come with the magnetic handle attachments. So that's an ability to easily open the handles up. They all also come with the coated webbing handles that you've potentially seen on the other bags as well. They also do come with the fidlock releases. So again, magnetically attached, very easy to remove and stow away the shoulder sling if you don't want to use that shoulder sling. So most people would probably leave that on all the time. Very easy to attach. And while we're talking handles and slings and things, we've talked about this before, but they all not only have the coated webbing handles, but can be removed with these C-clips. Bit fiddly for me to demonstrate on the video. In fact, I may or may not be able to do it, but ultimately we'll try and do it. Easy to remove. So you can basically, if you do get damage to the handles, you can basically get another handle from us and reattach that yourself without needing to send it off for repair. And if I can just get that attachment done, bit fiddly to be reaching over, but there you have it. So quick demonstration of the C-clips. Most of our bags come with that as a feature. So if we dive inside the bag, I guess an important thing to see is the front pouch, and I'll just sort of show that for angle, dimension. Front pouch for this PRK bag is designed to take a full size or advanced drug kit. So I'll open that up, and there you have an ability to, if you want to have that full size or advanced drug bag that we will talk about in another video. So that's the full size drug bag. If you're wanting to stow other things, including documents, and don't need to carry this drug bag, that's fine as well. But it has got that capability and is specifically sized so that you can fit that drug bag in the front pouch. If I open up the bag now, just to show you the inside, I guess an important thing to point out is that these bags this particular bag and the second one in the range, the Tech Plus, come as it stands with a blank lid. So it would just have this compartment that allows you to stow the trauma gear, and it will come with a blank lid. But as you might have noticed, it's a magnetically attached lid. We've got a family of 3. Separate panels, you can only attach one, obviously, it attaches magnetically. And you can hopefully see that happening. This is the Airways panel, but there is an option of doing the trauma panel or an drug IV panel. All those details are on the website. So in terms of the internal dividers, the one important thing to know is there's a bit of flexibility and movement, so they're not totally rigid. But each of these dividers or sections, if you like, are removable but not movable, if that makes sense. So you can actually, if you wanted to take this one out, I'm not going to demonstrate it, but if you did want to actually remove that altogether to give yourself a bigger compartment space there or here or wherever, you can do that, but there's no ability to shuffle them along the inside of the bag, if that makes sense. So really that's the inside of the bag. A lot of flexibility, especially with those dividers, as I said. Also flexibility with the inside separate lid attachment that there's an added option. And that's sort of the internal of that bag. I will quickly just also demonstrate, just to hopefully show you. There is also this added compartment here on the end that is just a storage compartment potentially for PPE or anything else. So that's on the edge of the bag. And the other thing I should highlight on the top of the bag is there is an ability, a little pouch there with a pouch there to attach a cervical collar or something like that. So NEANN PRK, top of the, I guess the bigger of the three bags that we've got, but very popular, probably one of our most popular selling bags that we have in the range. So there you go, that was the NEANN Professional Series PRK or Paramedics Response Kit.